Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Craft. In this video, I want to talk to you about the paid courses on the internet, paid resin courses, paid woodworking courses, paid whatever kind of courses these days. So there is this epidemic going on YouTube and on the internet called buy my masterclass or buy my course on specific subject. You guys name it. There are so many of these. And it really grinds my gears because everybody and their dog have a masterclass course these days. Which is not a problem in itself. The problem comes where they advertise you this course. You buy this course. You do this online video course, which is literally a video series on how-tos. And at the end of the course, you realize this could have been 2 fucking Google search and 2 page readings. Now, why I'm making this video is to give you an example or just I need to vent, okay? Because how should I put this? I've been doing CAD design, I've been doing computer animations, I've been doing Unreal Engine works for the last half decade, right? And when I started out as a newbie, I have went on Udemy, which is a website where everybody can upload their course packs and people can learn, and it's just a series of videos where you can practice and do things. And I spent almost $1,000 altogether on $20-30 courses to learn specific ways and methods to do things in 3D design and animation. And every single time when I finished the course, I did a Google search and I found the free information on exactly the same thing. Either in a video series format or a web page format with a list of things to do or a live stream or whatever. All I'm saying is, people are repackaging free information, which is already widely available, which is probably how they learned it already, right? They repackage the whole thing, and they're putting a price tag on it, and they're selling it that the last masterclass you will ever need. And we are gullible as amateurs of some hobby or field or subject matter, and we want to learn, and we go there, we pay for it, we learn, and we might get something out of it, Most of the times the teachers are very good and the material is very good and you can learn something. I'm not saying 100% of the times you get something out of it, because most of the times I actually encounter that these courses are repeat the same thing that I already know and doesn't give any plus. And the thing I already know, I know it for free only from the internet. Anyhow, so it's just mind-boggling to me that people are defending these things as well. I went into an argument with a guy on YouTube, of course, that, why am I pissed off and why am I speaking up against this and that creator? Because he put his time and effort into his course and he made that course and it's valuable data, and of course he asks money for it. I'm not saying he shouldn't, right? But at least make it something unique. Make the value of your fucking course value, and not put price tag on common sense or common knowledge or basic knowledge. And now he said then, yeah, but some people don't want to do the research and they pay for someone else to do the research, so that is the course. No, they have to search for the course as well. That's not an excuse to repackage widely available data and sell it behind a paywall as this is the way to do something. That's like the snake oil seller on the Wild West who is repackaging fucking vinegar or alcohol, and they say this is the way to remove grease. This is the grease cleaner thing which you use on your pots. You know, stop this. This is just madness. Do not buy into this, guys. Seriously, I beg you, just go online, look at the course, and then check out what's the final product you get out of it, right? And do a quick Google search. And if you can get it for free, then you are being scammed again. And then sometimes they combine this with the product they sell. You know, the special molds, the special inks, the special dyes, the resins, the micas, all that stuff. Don't buy into this, guys. Seriously. Just be mindful before you spend your hard-earned money. If you want to support somebody, support somebody. That's up to you. But when somebody's telling you that with this course you will be able to do A or B or C, and you must buy this course because this is the and then you do the course, spend your money, and you realize it's right here for free. I spent $100 on this course, and this is widely available common knowledge. Don't do that, guys. Use common sense, please, before you spend your money on courses. Just look for it on the internet. The internet is full of free knowledge, free information, free data, because people like to empower other people to do art or create a community where people help each other out to learn. Okay? Not everybody is trying to get rich on other people's knowledge, not knowledge. English is not my first language. You know that. I know that. I'm so sorry about it. Sometimes I struggle saying what I mean. But yeah, so that's basically the message of my video. I know it's a short and sweet one. I just had enough, guys. Like this morning I woke up, I opened my mailbox, and I'm still subscribed to Udemy, and I'm still subscribed to these cinematography and animation and Photoshop and all that. And I opened the mailbox, and I haven't opened it in a while. And I had 255 emails in the last 3 months upselling me to the next best course they created. And I was like, fucking hell, I've been finessed out of my money all these months and years. And I have to make a video about it. And I see this happen in epoxy resin too, and I see this happening in woodworking too. So yes, epoxy resin art is not a new thing. This is not invented today. Decades ago people were doing this, and decades ago people were putting up tutorials and how-tos and basic training on this for free. Woodworking, it's been around for a while. You can learn woodworking for free. You don't need the highest quality tools. You don't need the shiniest workshop. You don't need the best of the best. People were doing this with hand tools, for fuck's sake. So yeah, the information is out there. Search for the information. You're gonna find it. If you can't find it, pay for that course. Okay? Anyway, that's it for this video. By the way, I might gonna have a little bit wacky time schedule. As you can see, I'm tired as fuck. I had like 3 hours of sleep, or 4. The Greek island I live on, Aegina, is experiencing the highest temperatures recorded in decade, and everything is bone dry, and we get north winds, which means that uh, we are very high risk of fire, like the catastrophe fucking reaction governmental office. There are 5 levels of fire hazard. We are on number 5, and I'm part of the emergency response team on Egina, and I'm part of the fire watch of Egina. So basically, what I do most of my days is patrolling the island and going in the forests and the mountains and making sure that there is no fire hazards going on, or just spotting smokes and everything. On the mainland, about 100 kilometers from us, there is already a massive bushfire going on. So these days we are on high alert, and I just really don't have time to be here. I have planned 10 videos, so those are coming whenever I get around it, okay? But please bear with me. So please don't unsubscribe if you already did. And if you haven't, you can subscribe now. Yeah, so like and share this video, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's your experiences. I really want to see, am I the only one thinking this? Am I the only one seeing this pattern happen? Am I going crazy? I don't like to bitch and moan just for the sake of bitching and moaning, but is it just me? Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments what you think, alright? And yeah, if you like my shit and if you want to support my shit, you can do that on buymeacoffee.com. I will send you updates of my dogs and cats, and I'm not paywalling shit because art is for everyone and knowledge is free. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got something out of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one whenever I get around it. Love you. Bye.